Are you thinking about taking a trip on the Carnival Panorama? Then you want to stick around.
Because we're going to talk about 5 fun things you have to do while you're on this cruise ship.
Let's rock.
Woo!
Hey everybody, welcome to Rockin' the Boat. I am Tommy.
And I'm Melissa.
And if you're watching this, if you can believe it, this is our very first episode.
Number 1!
We are pumped up. We've been traveling the world for the past 3 years and we said, hey, we need to start a channel so we can share our adventures with you, your friends, your family.
Your dog, your cat.
Your hamster, maybe? The idea is to build a community where we can give away cruises, flights, hotel rooms, that sort of thing. But we need to start building the community. So hopefully you can help us out. We need to get to that first milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it.
Yeah. Rock the boat, baby.
Let's talk about the Carnival Panorama. Number 5, Celestial Strings. Now this is one of the 4 Broadway productions that are on the ship. And I gotta tell you, I'm a musician myself and I was absolutely blown away. The harmonies were insane, the dancing, the choreography, woo! And that string section.
Wow. And I love the electric violin, and so I thoroughly enjoyed watching because they not only put classical together with modern music like Evanescence, Metallica, Phil Collins. It was lovely. If you don't make it to the rock performance, you can catch the Celestial Strings at the Atrium Bar throughout the day on the ship.
Yes, and one tip would be if you want some good seats, get there early. We kind of came in, we're the stragglers, we came in right before the show started. We sat up on the balcony area. Seats weren't great, but it was great because we were the first ones to exit.
Which was fun.
So I would say get there early if you can and get a great seat right up in the front. But top notch, when we're back on the Panorama, we'll definitely be watching that one again.
Yes, for sure. Number 4, the casino. Now, we spent a lot of time there for 2 good reasons.
And the 2 reasons are free drinks and we wanted to lose all of our money.
Hey! Why bring a wad of money if you're not going to spend it?
The casino is awesome. It has all the new games, all the Fire Link, anything you can think of. They have all the
Tables.
modern new games. And of course they have blackjack, they have roulette. They have everything that you need if you love to gamble, which we did and we do.
Had a great time. Weren't big winners, but it was a lot of fun. And that wait staff, wow, they were on it.
They knew us really well because
when they saw us walking in, they already had our favorite drink that we would order.
And the reason for that is we got free drinks. And the way you get free drinks on a Carnival cruise is it's called the Drinks on Us package when you're a player in the casino. And the way you get the free drinks is on a 7-day cruise, you need to accumulate 1,500 points on your sail and sign card. You put that in the machine and it keeps track of your play as you go.
Yes.
So if you don't have the drink package, you can earn 1,500 points on a 7-day cruise. And from the time you hit 1,500, they will start paying for your drinks the rest of the cruise. Now, our situation was a little different because we've been on a bunch of cruises. So when we booked our cruise, we already had the Drinks on Us package. But if you're going to be on the cruise and you're going to drink, you might as well spend some time in the casino and earn those points.
Yes.
If it's not a 7-day cruise, I believe you have to be at 1,000 points, anything underneath a 7-day cruise. And once you hit the 1,000 points, you'll get the free drinks. But my recommendation is to spend all your time and all your money in the Panorama Casino. Number 3, the Sea Day Brunch.
Yummy.
Woo. Now, the Sea Day Brunch is only available on the days that you're not in port. So if you're at a fun day at sea, you have to take advantage of the Sea Day Brunch. I was surprised, but a lot of people weren't even aware that it existed. I was talking to some other cruisers, and I was talking about the Sea Day Brunch, and they said, what's that? They would just go to the buffet or whatever, but the Sea Day Brunch is actually where you have your main dinners. That's where you're going to have the C-Day brunch. So we went every day that we weren't at port, and we had a lot of the menu.
Yeah, they have a very fun menu selection, which we are going to put up on the screen for you to check out for the panorama, because some of those items, like the 12-hour French toast, is to die for.
I think she had 5 of them.
I did. Because, it is all you can eat, even though you're at the main dining room, so you can ask for as much food as you want.
Okay, she had 2.5, and I had the other 2.5. Who are we kidding?
Yes. And then they have those staple items like, where huevos ranchero, steak and eggs.
Eggs Benedict.
Oh, his favorite.
I had 8 of those. 2 every morning.
Pretty much. He was quite gassy throughout the rest of the day, though.
Another awesome thing there is the desserts. Make sure you check those out. The banana cream pie, the assorted cookies that they give you, and
that 7-layer cake.
Oh, the 7-layer cake is bomb, but it's not quite as good as the chocolate molten cake that you have at dinner. Oh my god.
A la mode.
It's chocolate cake warmed up with vanilla ice cream, and I had that every single night at our dinner.
Yes, he did.
Along with some of the other treats for dessert.
Pretty much.
So make sure when you're on the Carnival Panorama, you take advantage of that C-Day brunch.
Yummy. Number 2, the soccer pool table. Now this game is located on the very upper deck of the activity center. A lot of people didn't know about it, which was so great, because we went up there and dominated.
Well, she dominated. I got my ass kicked.
Yeah, what do you know? Something I'm good at, and I didn't even know it.
Now, it's on the very top level in the activities deck, so there's lots of stuff to do up there. There's ping pong, cornhole,
foosball.
Foosball, yeah. And it was hilarious because we were in the soccer pool table, which is indoors, and it's air conditioned, which is awesome.
Yes.
But there was a ton of little kids walking around waiting to play with like 2 other adults who were watching them, and they're wondering, why are these people taking so long?
They really wanted us adults off that game. They were picking up the balls that we were making in the pockets and stuff, and they were just really gathering and waiting for us to leave. But you know what? I was having so much fun. I did not let them bully me out.
So if you're at a port day, probably a great time to go because most people are in the port. You can go up to the top deck and play some soccer pool. Do it.
So much fun.
Number 1, Havana Bar.
Woo!
The Havana Bar is located in the aft of the ship on deck number 5. And it's a Cuban-themed lounge with live music, cocktails, and specialty coffee drinks. Whew, those are strong.
And being an island girl, Puerto Rican, the first thing that I would do was go straight to the bar and get a nice hottie toddy with that Cuban coffee. Wow, did that put a zip in my step, because I love salsa merengue with the live band playing. Oh, so much fun.
Yeah, the life of the party is really in the Havana Bar. It goes all night pretty much. There's every age group. You're going to see 18 to 80 years old, and everyone's one big happy family, dancing, smiling, no drama in the Havana Bar.
And people bring their own dominoes, which I was one of those people, and they have tables, specialty tables that are made for playing dominoes on, and when you can't get one of those, you'll use a regular table, which we did, and it was quite enjoyable.
Yeah, and the other cool thing about the Havana Bar is behind the actual bar, there's a whole private pool deck. There's a mini pool with some loungers and another bar back there. And apparently you have to book a Havana cabin. If you book a Havana cabin for your room, you have access to that private pool and the loungers and the private bar, which we're going to take advantage of probably on one of these cruises.
Yeah, we definitely want to check that out next time.
And also the coffee. Oh my gosh. It's one of the best coffees I've ever had in my life. And I've had coffee all over the world probably. And
we love espresso, so...
Super strong coffee. They have 3 different ones. I'll put the menu up on the screen, but very affordable. It's less than $3 for the coffee. Now, the little coffee is like 2-ounce espresso shots, but
Woo!
That's all you need, trust me.
You will definitely be skipping instead of walking.
So definitely check out that Havana bar. Hey rockers, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Plenty more to come. Please subscribe and like, and we'll just keep rocking the boat.
And remember, if the boat is a rockin',
don't come a knocking.